So yeah, today in college I was reading a book, and my one of my college friend, she got bit irritated that I was annotating my book. So yeah, this video is a reply to her. Like not in revengeful, but yeah, why I annotate books and why I love annotating books. I have no script for this video, as I just feel this video is going to be that comes from my heart why I are not books, and I think that everyone should that are not a book. Yeah, it's your respective opinion that if you want to or not it. I have paid for the book. I want to and not the book. Yeah, one of the reasons that I'm not reading any digital book because annotating and stuff. But yeah, I love annotating my physical copies of the book. Yeah, why? Let's come back. Yeah, if you don't know who I am, hi guys, I'm Aditi Gurum. I have this small, beautiful, wonderful, knowledgeable channel called Edity Reads. So yeah, readers, let's continue. And yeah, why I believe that you should never read a book without a pen. I really like the title. Yeah. Why should you never read a book without a pen? Because when you annotate the book and it's a damn important, yeah, quote. And when you are reading a book for the second time, you already know, oh, what I've and when you yeah, first of all, I hope you know that when you are reading the book for the first time and when for the second time or third time, all the experiences are different from each other, like really, really different from each other. Because the first time you are reading a book, you have a different mindset, and after a couple of months later, you have a different mindset about everything. So yeah, and it when you are reading the book for the second time, it's very, very fascinating. Like you think, oh, at that time it was important code for me, and at second time you can take out second another pen or highlighter, which you can really understand after 10 years. Oh, at the first time when I read it was like that, and second time there. And it has also happened that when I'm annotating code and stuff, and when I'm looking back, I can easily find that on which page it is and on which chapter it belongs to. And yeah, and I have why I not more. Yeah. I also when I have noticed that when I not I'm most likely to remember it. Like not almost, but almost I'm most likely to remember it, that the at least not the exact words, but at least the what the it really wanted to. And sometimes I do write what that quote or something felt me. Like even when fiction readers must be resonating with. I've seen my friends who read fiction, they write how their experience was reading that book, or reading that particular paragraph, of reading what their that rich husband in the fiction books told. Yeah. And writing books is a fun. You sometimes do curly, you sometimes do straight line. And I have seen online videos that they use certain types of highlighters for certain meanings, like, oh, green means important, blue means I know that, something like that. I don't do that. I'm not an extremist in that, but yeah. Even I highly recommend you can see. There are many YouTube videos in which they teach how to annotate. Particularly, I don't know how to annotate like properly aesthetically. I annotate because I love it. I really took it fun, and yeah, it is. So yeah, I hope this video will inspire to read more books, study more, gain knowledge in whatever subject you have, and yeah, go read more books and not books. Write your own journals. Romanticize book. Romanticize a life. Romanticize the environment. Yeah, and enjoy. Have fun, darlings. Explore new genres. Explore new books. Just love the life the way it is. Love the way you are creating yourself into a beautiful version of yourself. Yeah, that's it for today. Love you.